The storm gathers as we sleep. Despite vast amounts of blood and treasure expended since 9/11/2001, America and her allies are losing the war against Islamist violent extremists. Operating with impunity within tribal safe havens, violent extremists and transnational criminals are tightening their grip on civil society all over the world. Isolationism after fighting in Iraq and Afghanistan is just not an option. Violent extremists have already followed us home. Failure to stop them now is putting our freedom and our children's future at grave risk. There's a way to defeat them, but we have to change the game. Inspired by a little-known program employed by Green Berets in Vietnam, a small group of Special Operations Forces implemented a new strategy known as Village Stability Operations, deep in the remote valleys of rural Afghanistan. This revolutionary approach meant going local and living among community members who wanted to fight back against violent extremists. For the first time since the War on Terror began, I'm bringing these lessons to light. My name is Scott Mann. I'm a retired Green Beret and one of the original architects and implementers of this strategic program. Through painstaking research, over 5,500 interviews, and unprecedented on-the-ground experience, Game Changers presents an immediately useful strategic framework to defeat ISIS, Al-Qaeda, and even criminal elements here at home. I'd like you to go to thegamechangersbook.com and pre-order your copy of Game Changers and save 25% off the cover price. If you know something is not right about our fight against Islamist violent extremists, you can make change happen. Read, consider, share. You can make a difference, and Game Changers will show you how.